Guys, so today I'll be making 2 new servers, which I have one, and I'm just looking at this and I'm showing you this because the bucket servers were taken down. So my server I'm running right now is a modded server. What mods this requires are all the listed mods. This is a whitelist server, so if you want whitelist off, like a new server, then you're gonna definitely want to just give me 100 likes on the video. When I get 100 likes on this video, I'm going to make a modded server with all the mods that I had there open to the public, and then you as the public can tell me what mods to add, what mods to take away. But I'm going to start with all the mods that I had in that folder. So now on to the next part. I'm going to be making a 1.8.3 server, which I'm going to keep up to date. So let me just log in with my Minecraft. If we get 20 likes on this video, I will show you gameplay from my whitelist server. So I'm just showing you all how to make a Minecraft server. So now you want to open this. I'm going to make another folder because yes, you can make 2 servers at once, or 3 or 4. So I'm going to drag this in. From my old server, I'm going to copy and paste this run.bat into this, because this is what it runs off of, because it doesn't work another way. So now, this one is a .exe. Make sure you change that whenever you get this new Minecraft server. So now I'm going to copy and paste this right here. Oh, I forgot, you have to rename. Then copy and paste. Now I'm going to open this, and it's just going to open and close. Everyone knows about this. Basically, who knows about servers, so didn't change this to true. Now my servers don't need my IP, but just you have to have. Why is it just closing like that? I did EULA true. I'm gonna try to do the batch file and see what it does. Oh, this is not working. What the heck? I wanted a working server since I already have the modded one. Whoa, as you guys can see, you have to change the EULA. It's a long advanced process that it's not even working for me. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my Minecraft.net and try re-downloading this. Open folder. This is my other server, because I heard from someone that, oh, maybe I have to stop this one, because maybe it's interfering. Yeah, so I'm just going to start up this and then do my run.bat, because obviously, as you saw, you have to change the port. So like this is done, so I'm going to type stop. Now, if you don't want to watch my port forwarding stuff, skip like 2 or 3 minutes ahead, or 1 minute. But I'm gonna leave this blank, it doesn't work. Do 25567, and I'm gonna go into my server now, and I'm going to copy and paste my run.bat. After that's pasted, you're going to want to take all this away, and you're going to click rename, and then copy and paste that right here, .exe, and no GUI, pause if you didn't see it. Now port forwarding for my router. So everyone should have this, so it's 192.168.0.1. Go to portforward.com if you don't know your router password. But my router is pretty easy to get into because it's like a Time Warner Cable router. So you're gonna get into your router, and you can't get into my router unless you know my IP for my computer. So now, whatever your IPv4 says, you're gonna type that there. Whatever port you're using, so I'm using 25567 and 25567. Type it. If you're using a different router, you should have something like mine. So now I'm gonna save that. Now let's check that our server works. So like my server works, so I'm just going to show you by going on. I'm going to change this really quick. I found that typing localhost doesn't work. And I also need to bring up my new Minecraft version. So just to show you that this works, and that you can have 2 servers running at once, I'm going to show you that this server works on the newest version. And I'm going to type in my stuff, not localhost. It's actually, I know everything. So I typed in my IP. Now it says a Minecraft server. So right here it says in the chat that I joined. So I'm probably gonna name this survival server. And now I'm gonna make a creative server. But just showing you that my server works. So I'm gonna stop. And yeah guys, that is how you make a regular server. So I'm gonna go up here and change this to a survival server. Made by Acario201. And yeah, that's the video.